Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain experiment number 4, which is to add an array of 16-bit numbers. So first let me create the project. New project, project 4, save. Here okay, no, file, new. Here you need to type your program. Okay, save, yes. Then here I am going to save it as program 4.asm. extension is important. Save. Then right click on source group, add existing files. I am going to add program 4, add, close. Program 4 is added. Okay, now right click on target options. Here use microlib. Okay, so now this line should be commented actually. Then save, project, build target. So as you can see, there are two errors. What are those errors? Unknown opcode, expecting opcode or macro, area directive missing. See, so in this ARM assembly language programming, indentation is very important. So here you are getting errors because of indentation problem. So area should start here actually. Save it. Now you click on build. See, now there are no errors. So indentation is very important in ARM assembly language programming. Okay, now let me execute. Before executing I need to start debug. Okay, now memory, here I'll do execution step by step. Okay, I'll do the execution step by step now. Okay, so first, what is there in memory? This particular value which we use in every experiment. So that value is loaded into register R0. As you can see, R0 is loaded with value of variable memory. Then LDRB, B means byte. Okay, so here what I need to do is, in the first location I am going to store how many numbers are going to be there in the array. So let's say I am going to consider an array of size 4, that is array in which there are 4 numbers. So I need to mention 4. So what this particular instruction does, LDRB R1, R0, whatever is there in the location pointed by R0, which is 4, will be loaded into register R1. We are loading only byte, that means only one location has to be considered. So 4 is loaded into register R1. Next, add R0, R0, 2. Right now R0 is pointing here. When you add 2, it will be pointing here. Okay, now from here onwards I am going to store my array. Array size is 4. So 4 elements. So let's say first element is, but array is of 16-bit numbers. That means I need to consider 2 locations for every number. 0, 1 first number, 0, 4 is the second number, 0, 3 is the third number, 0, 2 is the fourth number. So these are the 4 numbers of the array. Now R0 is pointing here. LDRH of R2, R0. So R0 is pointing here. From this location you are going to load a half word into register R2. That is nothing but 1 will be loaded into register R2, as you can see. Next, add R1, -1. So one number is already read. Number of remaining numbers is 3. That's why I am decrementing the count by 1. So remaining numbers are 3. That's what R1 keeps track of. Then add R0 comma R0 comma 2. What is there in R0? Address. So address is incremented once again by 2, so that it points to the next element of the array. So pointer is incremented. Next R0 is pointing here. So you are loading 4 into register R3 in this particular instruction. As you can see, 4 is loaded into register R3. Next, add R3 comma R2, store the result back in R2. What is R2 comma R2 plus R3? 1 plus 4 is 5, which is stored back in R2. Yes. Then again, once again decrement by 1 because remaining numbers are 2. Then compare R1 comma 0. So this comparison will be successful only when all numbers in the array have been added. Right now only 2 numbers are added, 2 more are remaining, so this comparison will fail. That's why there is no branch outside the loop, branch back to loop up. So control comes back to up. Then add pointer is incremented once again so that it points to the next element of the array. This 3 is loaded into register R3. R3 becomes 3. Next, add R2 comma R3 comma R2. What is R2? 5. R3 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8, which is stored back in R2. So 3 numbers are added, remaining numbers are 1. That's why count is decremented by 1. Compare R1 comma 0. Whether we have finished adding all the numbers? No. Go back to the loop, increment the pointer so that it points to the next element of the array, LDRH R3 comma R0. So now R0 is pointing here, 2 is loaded into R3. R3 becomes 2. Next, 2 plus 8 is how much? 10, which is represented as A in hexadecimal A. Now all numbers are added, comparison successful, branch out of the loop. Here we are going to store what is there in R2? A. A is stored to the location which is at an offset of 2 with respect to R0. What is R0? 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 2, 9, 10. Here we are going to store R2, which is nothing but the sum of the array of 16-bit numbers. Okay. So here what happened? Actually what happened is there is a problem. Either you had to store offset 4, either it should be offset 4 or here it should be strh. So let me make the modification. Stop debugging. I'll make it as strh. Save, build. Okay, now debug. Okay, so here let me give 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, start. 3, 4, 3 is added, 4 is also added. 1 second, 4 is added. Now branching out of the loop, strh. So now you can see A. So A is the result. Okay, so this is the explanation for this particular experiment. Thank you.